Good news guys, I just discovered another AI tool that allows you to generate AI videos, images and music completely free. And if you watch to the very end, I'm going to show you guys how to get more credit, so make sure you stick around till the very end of this video. Now before we continue, I have something very interesting to share with you guys. Node Maven proxy. Now Node Maven provides premium residential, mobile and ISP proxies to make your traffic looks like it's coming from real users. Now for me, that means my AI workflows and automation projects runs much more smooth with fewer interruptions and fewer account issues. Now these ISP proxies are especially great if you need a stable IP that doesn't rotate unexpectedly. Now one of the features I really like is that they are the first proxy provider to offer cashback. You get up to 10% of the traffic you use back as credits, and these credits never expire. It is always visible in your dashboard. They also back up their service with some solid guarantees. If a proxy doesn't work, they compensate you with $1. Now according to their data, 9 out of 10 users recommend Node Maven. So if you are serious about automation, AI workflows, scraping or managing multiple accounts, I genuinely recommend giving Node Maven a try. Their price is already competitive, and with my promo code you will save up to 40% on your purchase. You can find the link to sign up in the video description down below alongside with my promo code. Once again, if you use that promo code, you get up to 40% discount on your proxy purchases. So with that said, let's go ahead and continue with our video. Alright guys, so the platform we are going to be using in this video to generate free AI videos and images is called PixVerse AI. So I'm going to leave the link in the video description, or you can go ahead and go straight to the website, which is PixVerse.ai. So click on the first link you see here. Also take note of the logo right here. So once you click on it, it's going to load up and take you here. Come over here at the top and click on login. It's going to load up and take you here. Go ahead, click on sign up. All you need to do is to enter your username here, enter your email address, your password, confirm the password. Then you scroll down here and click on continue. Now make sure you enter an active email address, because they are going to send you a verification code which you can use it to verify your account. After you verify your account, you can go ahead and log in. Alright guys, so this is my account right here, and as you can see at the top here, currently I have 67 credits. The good thing is that immediately you sign up on this platform, they give you 90 credits as welcome bonus, right? And every single day they give you 75 credits, and you can use this credit to create anything you want to create. You can see here you can create AI video, you can create AI images, you can create AI music here as well. Now also remember that these credits are not going to roll over, so if you did not use it by midnight, it is going to refresh and give you another 75 credit. So make sure you log into the platform every day and use your credits. Over here, this is where you can upload a reference image. Over here, this is where you can select your resolution. So you can see here you can generate videos up to 1080p, but this is for paid members. If you are using it for free, just like the way we are doing it now, you are only allowed to generate video quality of 540p, right? So for we are using it for free, so we are going to select on this. Also, this is where you can select the aspect ratio. So they have 16:9. If you're creating YouTube videos, select this. Or if you are creating TikTok videos or Instagram reels or Facebook reels, then you can select 9:16. Down here, this is where you select the length of the video, how long you want your video to be, which is going to be the duration. So you can generate up to 15 seconds video, but remember that the longer the duration, the higher the credits you are going to use. So for me, I'm going to select the aspect ratio as 16:9, select the time as 5 seconds. This is where you can choose the AI model you are going to use. So I'm going to click on it, and over here PixVerse AI have a lot of AI for image and video generations. So you can see right here they have Sedans 2.0, they have Gemini Omni Flash, they have Happy Horse 1.0, Clink AI, Grok Imagine 1.5, Grok Imagine Veo 3.1. But as you can see here, most of them require a pro account, so you need to be a subscribed member before you can use it. But the good news is that PixVerse AI is giving us all their AI models for free. So this is their latest AI model, which is PixVerse V6, and we can use it completely free without paying for it. They have PixVerse C1. This one is also free. They also have PixVerse v5.6. So we are going to be using PixVerse AI model to generate our videos. But if you want to use it as 2.0, Omni Flash, Happy Horse, you can go ahead and subscribe to their pro plans. But for let's focus on this. I'm going to click on PixVerse 6 and then press in my prompts here. Alright guys, so this is my prompts right here. Remember, if you have a reference image, you can also click on it here to upload the image, paste your prompt and generate a video. But I don't have a reference image. I'm just going to generate my video from text. So after pasting it, all the settings are correct. I'm going to go ahead and click on create. And you can see the video has started generating, as you can see it's right here. So let's go ahead and wait for the results. Okay guys, so you can see the result is not bad for something free. So if you don't have money to subscribe to their pro plan, you can just go ahead and make use of their free AI model. Now remember, you can also generate images here. You can generate AI music here as well. Also, make sure you come over here on the platform every single day to use your credits. So if you don't want to lose your credits, make sure you log in every day and use it. Now, how do you do this on limited time? The only way you do this on limited time is maybe you have more than one Google account. You can go ahead and create another account. Once you hit limit on one account, you can switch over to the other account. Also remember, this platform gives you additional 75 credits every single day. So you can use that 75 credits to either generate images, generate videos, or generate AI music. Another way is by subscribing to their paid plan. They have a paid plan, and if you don't want to run out of credit, you can go ahead, upgrade to one of their plans. And if you upgrade to any of their plan, you have access to all the AI models on the platform, so you can go ahead and create even more quality videos. Also, I'm going to drop a link to Maven proxies in the video description down below. And remember, you get 40% discount on your proxy purchase if you use my promo code. Thanks for watching so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.